Hello, class 8th. So, we have been studying chapter number 8, the cell of a living organism. So, in this chapter, we will study the plant cell and animal cell and different parts of cell. So, as you can see the picture, this is the picture of animal cell. This is the picture of animal cell. Later, I will also show you the picture of plant cell. Okay, but now I am showing you the picture of only animal cell. But before we talk about animal cell picture, before we talk about this picture, let's revise whatever we studied in previous class. So, get in a previous class we studied about the cell theory, yes, and discovery of the cell. Do you remember who discovered the cell? Cell number. Sorry, how many type of cell on the basis of number of cell present in a living organism, and what is the shape of the cell, which is the largest cell, which is the smallest cell. Yes, all these topic we studied in previous class. So let's revise them within 5 minutes, then we will study about this picture. Okay, cell theory. So as you can see the picture of cell, right now as you can see that the picture is big, yes, but the picture of cell is big, but actually the cells are very small, yes. So we can say the cell is the smallest unit of life. This is the first point of cell theory. Cell is the smallest unit of life. And point number 2, cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organism. Yes, cell is the basic structural functional unit. All the function happen in the cell. Digestion, excretion, respiration, all these function occur in the cell, because all the organ are made up of cells. Yes. Point number 3. Point number 3 is new cells arise from pre-existing cell. Yes, the new cell develop from the old cell, yes, which are already exist. Yes, new cells always arise from pre-existing cell, and all the organisms are made up of one or more cell. Yes, some organisms have one cell, some organisms have more than one cell. Yes, like amoeba have only one cell. But all the function occur. Amoeba is made up of just one cell, but in the one cell, digestion, excretion, everything occur. Okay. Now let's talk about the discovery of the cell. So Robert Hooke was the first scientist who discovered the cell using microscope, with the help of microscope, in 1965. Yes, Robert Hooke discovered the dead cell in 1965 with the help of microscope. Yes, Robert Hooke, which is a scientist, actually he observed a thin piece of cork, thin slice of cork. He saw the cell of thin slice of cork. Yes, he saw the cells of thin slice of cork. Cork means what? Cork means part of bark of tree. Yes, cork is actually the bark of tree. Okay, so the slices of cork appeared like small compartments which were further separated by wall. Okay, and when he observed, when the Robert Hooke observed through the microscope, he saw the structure the structure of cell look like honeycomb. Yes. And let's talk about the cell number. On the basis of number of cell, living organism can be classified into two categories. Yes. So there are two type of living organisms: unicellular living organism and multicellular living organism. Yes. Unicellular living organisms have only unicellular cell. Multicellular living organism have only multicellular. So what is the meaning of unicellular? Unicellular means only one, and multicellular means more than one. So those living organisms whose body consists of single cell, yes, those living organisms whose body consists of single cell are known as unicellular living organism. For example, amoeba, euglena, these are unicellular living organisms. And those living organisms whose body consists of more than one cell are called multicellular living organism. Example, earthworm, human being. Yes, as you can see the picture of human being is in front of you on the screen. This is the picture of cell of human being. Well, there are many type of cells in our body also. Okay. Next is what is the shape of the cell? You know, the shape of the cell differ not only in different organisms. Yes, the shape of the cell differ not only in different organisms but also in different organs of same organism. Yes, the shape of the cell differ not only in different organisms but also in different organs of same organism. Yes, it differ in the different organ of same organism. And if we talk about the shape of the shape of the cell can be oval, spherical, cuboidal, fiber, like or polygonal in this. And if we talk about the size of the cell size, the difference in size of organism is due to the number of cell present in them. Yes, this is the reason behind the difference in size of organism, because due to the number of cell, it's depend on the number of cell. And the largest cell is ostrich cell, which is 170 in diameter. Yes, the largest cell is ostrich cell, which is 170 in diameter. And the smallest cell are called mycoplasma, which is about 0.1 micron in diameter. Okay. Okay, now let's talk about the different parts of the cell. As you can see the picture, different parts of the cell. So can you see the outer part which is in violet color? Can you see the outer part which is in violet color? Yes, this is actually plasma membrane. This is actually plasma membrane. Yes, plasma membrane. And inside the, can you see the yellow part, complete yellow part? Can you see? The yellow part is actually a liquid. Yes, it is actually a liquid. Yes, which is known as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Okay. Can you see green color, orange color organelle? Can you see green color, orange color organelle? Can you see? That is actually Golgi body. Yes, Golgi body. Okay. Can you see the center part? Can you see the center part? Center part is known as nucleus. Yes, center part is known as nucleus. Can you see the small dot in the picture? Can you see small dot in the picture? Yes, these small dots are ribosome. Yes, these small dots are ribosome. Can you see the green color ball. Can you see the green color ball? Yes, these are actually lysosome. These are actually lysosome. And can you see light sky color part? Light sky color uh, having blue color at the top. Can you see light sky color part? That organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. So, and the remaining are mitochondria. So I can say that cell has different organelles. Yes, these parts are known as organelles. Okay, these parts are known as organelles, not organ. Okay, because these are the parts of cell. Okay, so which are the parts? Ribosome, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, plasma membrane, or you can say plasma cell membrane, Golgi body, mitochondria, lysosome. I hope you understood. Now let's study the different parts of cell and animal. Let's study the different parts of cell and animal means different organelles of cell, different organelles of plants and animal, different organelles of plants and animal. Let's move on the next point. Okay, again, so as you can see, two parts I have shown. First is cell membrane, second is cell wall. Yes, first is cell membrane, second is cell wall. Let me tell you one thing, kids. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. Yes, cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. But remember that cell membrane, or you can say plasma membrane, both are same. Cell membrane is found in both plants as well as animal. Yes, cell membrane, which is also known as plasma membrane, it is found in both plants and animal. But cell wall is found only in plants. Cell wall is not present in animal. Yes, this is the first difference between animal cell and plant cell. Yes, this is the first difference between animal cell and plant cell. Yes, cell wall is present in plants, but cell wall is absent in animals. Okay, so you can see the picture of cell membrane. Okay, so what is the function of cell membrane? Well, cell membrane is the outer covering of animals. Yes, cell membrane is the outer covering of animals. It is also found in plants. So what is the function of it? Its function is to control which substance should enter and which substance should not enter. Yes, it means they allow the good substance and stop the bad substance. Yes, or you can say it works just like strainer. Yes, you know, with the help of strainer we can filter the tea. Yes, so when we filter the tea, then the liquid goes into cup and tea leaves remain in the strainer. In the same way, cell membrane also help to filter, and it allows only those material which should enter. So it is the outer membrane, okay, of the cell that control the entry and exit of the substance. Yes, it is the outer membrane of the cell that control the entry or exit of substance according to the requirement of the cell. Yes, according to the requirement it allows the substance. Yes, when the substance are enough, it will not allow in, like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, blood, these exchange through the cell membrane. These exchange through the cell membrane. I hope you understood. Now cell wall. Well, cell wall is the outer layer of the plant cell. Yes, it is found just above the cell membrane. Yes, cell wall is found on the top of cell membrane. Okay, cell wall is the outer layer. Okay, so what is the function of cell wall? Well, it work as a protection of cell. Yes, it is a protector. Yes, it protect, support and provide strength, hardness, rigidity, you can say. So these are the function of cell wall. It provides rigidity, supports and protection to cell. Well, it also gives shape and size. It also gives shape and size. Okay. Well, not only well, for your kind information, let me tell you that cell wall is not only found in plants. Not only found in plants. It is also found in fungi, bacteria. Okay. Remember. So found in plants, fungi, bacteria, there are many kind of bacteria. Okay, and there are many kind of fungi. Okay, so it surrounds the plasma membrane. It surrounds the plasma membrane. I hope you understood what is cell membrane. Cell membrane is known as plasma membrane. It is the outer covering, outer membrane of cell that control the entry and exit of substances according to the requirement of the cell. And cell wall, it provides rigidity, support, protection of the cell. It also gives shape and size. Found in plants, fungi and bacteria surround the plasma membrane. Now, kids, let's study about nucleus and cytoplasm. Let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. So now let's talk about the cytoplasm and nucleus. Yes, check the spelling: cytoplasm, cytoplasm, and nucleus, nucleus, nucleus. Okay, so kids, remember that cytoplasm is present in both. Cytoplasm is present in both plants and animal. Okay, nucleus is also present in both plants and animal, but there is a difference with what the point is. The difference is in animal cell nucleus is present almost at the center. Okay, nucleus is present almost at the center, but in plants, if we talk about, nucleus is not present at the center because of empty space, which is known as vacuole. Okay, so this is the second difference. First difference, what was the first difference? Yes, what was the first difference? Yes, cell wall is present in plant cell and cell wall is not present in animal cell, and nucleus is present at almost at the center in animal cell, and nucleus is not present at the center in plant cell. So as you can see the picture of nucleus, yes, can you see the picture? This is actually nucleus. Okay, and it contains many things, like it has chromosome. Nucleus has chromosome. Okay, first of all, let's study about the cytoplasm. Okay, so cytoplasm is the portion of protoplasm lying inner to the cell membrane. The portion of the protoplasm lying inner to the cell membrane but outside the nuclear membrane. Yes, it is found inside the cell membrane, yes, okay, and outside the nuclear membrane, means it is between them, it is between the nucleus and cell membrane, it is found between the nucleus and cell membrane. It comprises of gel-like substance that fills the inside of the cell. Yes, as I said, it is a jelly-like substance, jelly-like substance in which all the organelles are present. Yes, it is a jelly-like substance in which all the organelles are present. Yes, mitochondria, lysosome, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, all these are present in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance, so I can say that it acts as a medium. Yes, it acts as a medium for these organelles, okay, and it contains hereditary material. Yes, hereditary material are actually those material which are responsible for the characteristic, same characteristic which have in parents. We will also get the same from the parents, like blue eyes. Maybe if father has brown eyes, we can also have brown eyes. Father has brown hair or mother has brown hair, then we can also have brown hair. If and it is said that kids, it is said that the health, the height, they depend upon father, and mental health depend upon mother. Well, so I hope you understood what is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the present between cell membrane and nucleus. Yes, it is jelly-like substance which act as a medium for the organelles. All the organelles are present in the cytoplasm. Yes, it contains hereditary material, okay, which are present in the nucleus. Okay, now let's talk about the nucleus. So nucleus is almost center part of animal cell, and it is not present at the center in plant cell, okay, and it is separated from cytoplasm by nuclear membrane, okay. Yeah, so I can say that there is a outer covering of nucleus is known as nuclear membrane. Outer covering of nucleus is called nuclear membrane, which separate it from cytoplasm, okay. And what is the function of nucleus? Actually, it is just like a CPU, or you can say it is like a brain. Yes, it is a supervisor, or you can say, so it control all the activities which occur in the cell. Yes, it controls all the activities which are happening in the cell. So it gives the direction to all cell activity. Yes, it gives the direction to all activity. Like in the classroom, a teacher give direction, what should you do and what should you not do. Yes, a teacher give direction, what should you do and what should you not do. In the same way, for a cell, nucleus is a teacher. Yes, for all the organelles, nucleus is a teacher. So it gives the direction, okay, and it contains genetic material, DNA. Yes, actually DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid, which is responsible for hereditary characteristic, okay, and it also contains chromosome, okay. Chromosome is responsible for the characteristic that we get from our parents, okay. So I hope that you understood about cytoplasm and nucleus, okay. So what is nucleus? Nucleus is a central part which is separated from cytoplasm by nuclear membrane. It is direct. It gives the direction. It controls all the organelles. Direct all cell activities. Contain a genetic material called DNA, chromosome. Okay, and around the nucleus you can see the endoplasmic reticulum present. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, now let's talk about the nuclear membrane and chromosome. So as I already said that nuclear membrane is present around the nucleus. Yes, it is a covering of nucleus, so you can say that it protects the nucleus. Okay, nuclear membrane protect the nucleus. Okay, and it is a double membrane layer. Double membrane layer means it is made of two thin layer. Yes, membrane means thin layer, so it is double membrane layer which protect the nucleus, surround the nucleus. So what is the function of this nuclear membrane? What is the function of this nuclear membrane? Actually its opening allow the material to enter and leave nucleus. Yes, its opening allow the good material to enter in, bad materials to get out. Yes, chromosome. So chromosome are present in nucleus. Yes kids, chromosome are present in the nucleus. So chromosome, there are 23 pair of chromosomes. So it is made of DNA and present in the nucleus. Okay, chromosomes are made of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, which are responsible for hereditary characteristic. Okay, so chromosomes are made of DNA and present in the nucleus. And what is the function? As you can see, chromosomes are responsible for the inheritance of characteristic. Yes, chromosomes are responsible for the genes from one generation to another generation. Yes, genes means inheritance of characteristic. Yes, genes are those which help to transfer the characteristic, inheritance of characters from parents to their daughter. Yes, that's why our face look like just our parents. Yes, our face look like either our mom or our dad. Yes, because of um, chromosome, because chromosome help to transport the genes. Yes, which actually provide the characteristic. Those characters are known as inheritance of characters. So that's why it happens that our eyes can match to our father or our face can match to our father. Anything is possible. Or if there is any disease in our parents, it can also have us. Okay, I hope you understood about nuclear membrane and chromosome. Now let's move on the last point. Okay kids, it's time to ask some question from you. Question number 1, draw the diagram of animal cell. Yes, draw the diagram of animal. Well, you will draw the diagram of animal cell. You can see the diagram in your book also. It is in your book, available in your book, or I will show you one more diagram, maybe next class or in the next or in any class, but I will show you the diagram of one more clear diagram, one more or you can make a diagram from your book. Okay, it is given colorful diagram in your book also. Okay, question number 2, what is cell membrane? Yes, what do you mean by cell membrane? Yes, so cell membrane is the outer covering, as you know. Yes, cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. Yes, so it acts as a guard. It allows the material to in and out. Yes, So we can say cell membrane is a double membrane layer, and it is the outer membrane of the cell that controls the entry and exit of the substance, according to the requirement of the cell. Yes, according to the requirement of the cell. Okay. And it is present in both plants and animal. Okay. Question number 3. What is the function of chromosome? Yes, write the function of chromosomes. Yes, function of chromosomes. So you know that chromosomes are actually made of DNA. Yes, chromosomes are made of DNA and they are present in the nucleus. Yes, they are present in the nucleus. And chromosomes are responsible for the inheritance of characteristics. Yes, this is the function of chromosomes. So what is the function? Chromosomes are responsible for the inheritance of the characters from one generation to other. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Write a short note on cell wall and cytoplasm. Yes. So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. Yes, it acts as a medium. It contains all the organelles. Yes. So the portion of protoplasm lying inner to the cell membrane but outside the nuclear membrane is cytoplasm. It comprises of gel-like substance that fills the inside of the cell. It contains hereditary materials. And if we talk about kids, cell wall is present only in plant cell. It is not present in animal cell. And what is the function of cell wall? Cell wall provide the rigidity, support and protection of the cell. Yes, it protects the cell. And it also gives shape and size. Yes, not only it provides support and protection as well as shape and size. And it is found in plants, fungi as well as in bacteria. And it is present just above the cell membrane, means it surrounds the plasma membrane, or you can say it surrounds the cell membrane. I hope you understood now. We will meet in next class and we will study about some more cell organelles. Okay, like plastid, mitochondria. We will also study about endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, Golgi body. Okay, we'll meet in next class. Till then, bye bye.